Gemini 2.0, Google's groundbreaking AI revolution. The AI world just got a major shakeup, and it's all thanks to Google's latest release, Gemini 2.0. This isn't just another incremental update, it's a huge leap forward, packed with new capabilities that could redefine what AI can do. But how does it compare to other big names like OpenAI? And what does this mean for the future of artificial intelligence? Let's kick things off with a look at what Gemini 2.0 brings to the table. This isn't just one model. It's part of a whole family of AI systems designed for different needs. You've got the ultra-advanced models for heavy-duty reasoning tasks, the budget-friendly Gemini Flash for high-speed, low-cost responses, and the mid-range options like Gemini Pro. But today, the spotlight is on Gemini 2.0 Flash, the latest and most exciting addition to this lineup. At first glance, Gemini 2.0 Flash doesn't seem like it should be the star of the show. It's designed to be quick and efficient, not the most powerful. But here's the kicker. It outperforms even the Pro models from the previous Gemini generation in nearly every benchmark. Now, benchmarks are great, but what does this actually mean in practice? Let's break it down. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini 2.0 is its multimodal capabilities. This means it can process and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and even video. For example, you can show it a picture, ask it to analyze the objects in the scene, and it'll give you a detailed breakdown, complete with 3D coordinates. Or you could feed it an image of a car and ask it to turn the car into a convertible, and it'll generate a new image reflecting the change. This level of multimodal interaction is something we've seen hints of from other AI systems. But Gemini 2.0 takes it to a whole new level. It's not just about recognizing objects or making minor edits. It's about understanding complex scenes and generating outputs that integrate seamlessly with real-world applications. Think robotics, augmented reality, and even advanced content creation. But that's not all. Gemini 2.0 also excels in agentic intelligence, meaning it can use tools and interact with systems autonomously. Imagine having an AI that can navigate your browser, manage your emails, or even search the web for specific information, all in real time. Google showcased this in a demo where Gemini autonomously browsed websites, extracted contact information, and compiled it into a usable format. While the process is still a bit slow, the potential is undeniable. So, what's the catch? Well, Gemini 2.0 isn't perfect. For one, it still struggles with highly complex reasoning tasks. When tested with difficult math problems or riddles, it sometimes produces long, detailed explanations, but doesn't always arrive at the correct answer. This highlights a key difference between models like Gemini and OpenAI's O1, which excels at deep reasoning by taking more time to think through problems. That said, Gemini's strengths lie elsewhere. Its speed, multimodal capabilities, and ability to work with tools make it incredibly versatile. And let's not forget its audio synthesis feature. Gemini can not only process and understand audio, but also generate realistic voice outputs. Imagine using this for virtual assistants, voiceovers, or even real-time translation. It's an area where Google has clearly invested heavily, and it shows. Speaking of investments, let's talk about accessibility. One of the most surprising things about Gemini 2.0 is that many of its features are free to try right now. Unlike some AI systems that keep their best capabilities behind a paywall, Google has made Gemini 2.0 accessible to everyone, at least in its basic form. This move is likely aimed at getting as many people as possible to experiment with the system, providing valuable feedback that can be used to refine future versions. But let's address the elephant in the room. How does Gemini 2.0 stack up against its competitors? OpenAI's O1 models, for instance, focus heavily on reasoning and are designed to tackle complex, multi-step problems. While Gemini can handle many of the same tasks, it prioritizes speed and multimodal interaction, making it better suited for dynamic, real-time applications. Then there's Anthropic's Claude, which has carved out a niche with its focus on safety and reliability. The competition is fierce, but Google seems to be taking a unique approach. Instead of trying to be the best at everything, they're focusing on versatility and user experience. Gemini 2.0's ability to seamlessly integrate different modes of input and output, text, images, audio, and video, gives it a distinct edge in certain areas. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you're running a content creation business. With Gemini 2.0, you could generate an article, create accompanying images, and even produce an audio narration, all from a single AI system. This level of integration simplifies workflows and opens up new possibilities for creative professionals. But it's not just about creativity. Gemini's capabilities also have implications for industries like healthcare, education, and robotics. In healthcare, for example, its multimodal abilities could be used to analyze medical images, generate diagnostic reports, and even simulate patient interactions. Of course, no system is without its limitations. As advanced as Gemini 2.0 is, there's still room for improvement. Its reasoning capabilities, while impressive, aren't yet on par with models like o1. And while its speed and efficiency are standout features, they sometimes come at the cost of depth and accuracy. Then there's the issue of scalability. While Google has made Gemini 2.0 accessible to a wide audience, the real test will be how well it performs at scale. Can it handle the demands of millions of users? Can it maintain its speed and accuracy under heavy workloads? These are questions that only time will answer. But perhaps the biggest challenge facing Gemini and AI in general is trust. As these systems become more integrated into our lives, ensuring their reliability, fairness, and ethical use becomes increasingly important. Google has made strides in this area, but there's always more work to be done. So, where does this leave us? Is Gemini 2.0 the future of AI? It's certainly a big step forward. Its multimodal capabilities, agentic intelligence, and accessibility make it a standout in an increasingly crowded field. But it's not without its challenges. The race to create the ultimate AI system is far from over, and Gemini 2.0 is just one piece of the puzzle. What do you think? Are we looking at the next big thing in AI, or is Gemini 2.0 just another step on the long road to truly intelligent systems? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Next time we'll explore another exciting development in the world of AI. Stay tuned.